she just eats the twisty ties and busts out.
Scout, what did you do to that toy?
You bad girl. What did you do?
What?
Now go pick up that fluff.
Hi, Scout.
Yeah, nobody wants what's left of that now.
No.
Look what you did.
Aw. Hi, pretty girl.
Look it.
Aw.
She's a beast.
Hi, Scout. Here. Hi, honey. Hi. You playing with your toy? Hi, Mommy. Oh. Oh, you want me to play with you? Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Good girl. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Oh. Oh, she's
Powerful. Just pull you right through that fence.
Hi. Okay, let's go through here. Who's this?
Rosie.
Hi,
Rosie's
Rosie.
waiting to have babies.
Hi, Rosie. Hi, sweet girl. Hi.
Kayla's up. There's Kayla.
Hi, Kayla. Hi,
Miami
Mommy.
killed the babies.
Hi, Mommy. Hi.
Peaches. Hey, Peach. She's trying to get the toy.
Uh-huh.
Too fun. BB. Hello, you two.
Hi. These two love each other.
Hello.
Hi, honey.
Was
Hi.
Peaches cleaning your eye, BB?
Hi.
Hi, Moms.
Hi, babies. Hi.
Oh,
Give
Mommy.
kisses.
Mickey's the only boy in the bunch.
Let's see the rest over here.
Let's go in and see the babies.
Who's this one? Beautiful.
Georgia.
Hi, Georgia. Hi, Mommy. Hi. And who's that?
Carla.
Hi, Carla.
Stop.
Hi, honey.
Stop.
Hi, Carla. Hi. Hi, baby. Aw. Hi, Mommy. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah.